Hi, I'm Katie from Virtual Legal, and in this video we're going to talk about 7 tips for buying a business. Number 1, make sure that you get an accountant to look over at least 3 years of the past financials. If you don't have 3 years, see whatever they have, but it's important that you don't just take the seller's word for it. Number 2, consider things like accruals of a holiday leave and long service leave. Under the standard terms of the REIQ, you're going to be responsible for 70% of that. So you need to be sure what that is and make sure that the price is reflective of what you're actually going to be paying. Number 3, it's important to check what kind of restraints are against the seller under the contract. Once the seller has sold the business to you, you don't want them setting up in a shop right beside you and competing against you, taking away your business. Number 4, make sure that the lease is satisfactory to you. You don't want to buy this business and find out in 3 or 4 months' time that there's a massive rent hike and you're going to be paying an extra 50% rent for the next 5 years. So be careful of this one. When budgeting for the purchase price of the business, also consider things like stamp duty. So you'll have to pay a certain amount depending on which state you are. You can go to the Office of State Revenue for Queensland and do a calculator on their site, or jump onto our site. Number 7, when performing due diligence, make sure you don't get too attached to the business. It's important to consider all the risks and to make an informed decision about the business. If something doesn't look right, there's a good chance that it's not right, so ask all of those questions. You may save a few $100s not doing searches when you're buying the business, but this could cost you thousands of dollars down the track and you may not be able to run the business effectively. You could lose everything. So if you're buying a business, jump online or send us an email or give us a call. We're happy to help you out with these.